after 2 hours, we're finally here sa hotel. It's called Moxie. It's by Marriott. So yan, parang medyo Gen Z type of hotel siya. Ito yung lobby. Like, dito ka na mag-check-in. Parang bar, di ba? Oo nga, bar nga. Meron nga doon, no? Yan. And then, ganito lang naman siya. It's like nasa 9th floor na yung check-in place niya. And then this one is like their rooftop bar. Try tayo lumabas, ha? So, ito na yung rooftop bar niya. Hindi siya super taas. Anyway, let's go in. Meron pang mga billiards, so. Mga tambay-tambay lang na place. So, overall, based sa lobby niya, hindi siya super senior-friendly compared to CM Kempinski, yung ni-stayan natin last December. Okay, cheers to our first mother and daughter trip. Okay, we're finally in our room. Okay, so once you enter, ay, nako, may maleta. Left side is the toilet and bath. So here's the sink. Hello. And then the toilet. And then here's the bath area. So yung shower niya is color black. Over there. Okay. Medyo weird, no? Yung interior niya. Hindi ko alam if the modern or what. I don't know. Even here. There. Okay, next. Labas na tayo and let's go look at the room. So, ito yung bed. Maliit lang yung bed. Ano to? Queen size? Mas maliit pa sa queen size eh. Ito yung so, ito yung CR, di ba? And then, nandito yung parang maliit niyang pantry. Yan lang. Tapos, oh, this is the fridge. Let's see. Ang liit. Sobrang liit naman to. Grabe, parang safe. It's 9:38. Di pa kami nagdi-dinner. Nauna ang shopping. So, we're right now, we're here at Central World, yung parang street food area nila. Since closed na yung mga restos, so dito na lang. They're buying some pomegranate juice. So, yan. Did you buy passion fruit?
Gusto mo? Sabi mo, buko sa'yo.
Yeah, buko na lang sa akin. O, yan. Wait, look kayo dito. Girlies! Ay, hindi na mamansin mga ito. Since medyo late na, wala na masyadong display, pero marami pa rin tao. Look, oh. Ayan, ano ba to? Potato. Anyway, let's go straight. Okay, ito ang tinitignan namin. Pad Thai. Inaas nila ano daw yung bestseller. Let me show you the food. Wow. Oh. Look, everything looks so good. Merong escargot. Dinner time, finally. Dinner at 10? I think it's 10 p.m. na. Anyway, we're having tom yum. And then this is morning glory ba to? Yung ba yung tawag? And then pad thai. Meron din silang pad thai. And ibang klase yung tom yum nila. Hindi ko lang sure. Tapos mommy's having pomegranate juice. And of course, my favorite, we have buko shake. And of course, meron din tayong mga mango sticky rice and different types of fruits there. Sarap. My God, ang init kasi here. Kasi look naman, there's a tent dito sa taas. So, medyo humid, everything. Like, yahip ba yung feeling? Alam niyo yun? Trying the tom yum. Street food version ng tom yum. Ito na siya. Sakto lang. Hindi siya yung super rich. So far, yung best tom yum na na-try ko is galing Kubkaw Kubla. Rosnyum, masarap rin. And Nara Thai. Yung tatlong yun yung favorite, top 3 namin na favorite Thai. Next, we try the Morning Glory here. Ito masarap. Pad Thai. Hindi ako fan ng Pad Thai. So, bias tong review ko ng Pad Thai. Masarap, di ba? It's mid. Kasi matamis. Let's call it a night, guys. Balik na kami ng hotel. Close na yung Central World, oh. See? Anyway, our hotel is right beside Big C. Ito, nakita nyo yan, yung The Market. And then there's like this parang purple na mataas na building. May purple na light. Oh, dyan yung hotel namin. Good morning, guys! So, today is our first full day here in Bangkok. And I'm gonna go down for breakfast dito sa baba lang naman ng hotel namin. Mga mommy friends natin is nauna na. So, ayan, 9th floor. Let's go. Good morning, mommy. Okay. She's making her coffee.
Thank you.
Okay, let's look at the food, ha? Rice, soup. Grabe, ubus-ubus na yung kain. Breakfast na usual. So, dami namang egg there. Oh, you can make paluto, the omelette. Okay, this looks good. Noodle soup. This is horrid. Ito naman, salad area. We also have pancakes. Hindi siya fresh na gawa. Kasi wala yung tao there. Okay, so waffles, bread pudding, then meron din dito mga sweets. Oh, ang ganda naman ng kanyang bread toaster. Pink. Then yan, mga other types of bread. So, yan lang. Oh, they have passion fruit, guys. That's really good. Kuha nga tayo ng isa. Here's the drink section. If you remember, we were there last night. Yan yung kanyang check-in counter. Also have cheese, different types of cheese, salami, yogurt. Oh, ito meron dito yung nakaslice na yan. Oh, mommy. We're now here at Icon Siam. Here sa floating market nila. Their DIY floating market here sa basement, I believe. So yan, there are lots and lots of food. And right now, medyo early pa, which is why it's not yet that crowded. Ang avocado nila nakakaiba. Sobrang laki, oh. Like, it's this 12 inches na avocado. Auntie is gonna try yung avocado. Wow, that looks very creamy, Auntie. And then this one is sugar cane. Same taste ba sa Manila or sa US?
Milk, but it doesn't have milk, but it tastes good.
Alright, here, look, so much durians. Very famous also in Bangkok. And of course, ito, mangosteen. Pero parang hindi siya ngayon season. Pero ito, ang dami ko nakikita, the rambutan. Even the atis is so big, oh. Whoever's interested in bird's nest. Pero feeling ko konti lang laman to. Konti lang yung mga bird's nest. It's $4.50. Oh, so much mangosteen. Pinapatry. Uy, malaki bawat piece. Ano, kamusta? Matamis? How do you like it?
Very good.
I recommended that to Auntie. Right?
Yeah, chewy on top, it's like puto, and then the bottom part is like yung typical cake.
Okay, we're gonna have very early lunch here at Kubkaw Kubla since excited silang itry itong crab meat omelette. So, let's go in. Lagi naman tong resto na to nasa vlog ko. So, if hindi niya pa alam ang favorites, nako, please watch na lang. So, we're currently here at Icon Siam. And let's see if we can see the Chao Phraya River over here. Oh yeah. Beautiful, beautiful view. Pero if you wanna sit here, but it's kind of warm. Okay, let me see. Okay, here's the Chao Phraya River. Okay, so while waiting for our orders at Kubkaw Kubla, I went up here sa 6th floor. I saw this on TikTok. Famous daw yung kanilang cookies. So, we're gonna try one. Ay, konti pa lang yung mga flavors. Pero I saw ang pinakasikat niya is yung Kinder Bueno. Ay, sold out na pala tong Kinder Bueno niya. Grabe, kaka-open na nila, nag-sold out na agad. Anyway, I got this one. Ito daw yung second nila na bestseller, yung original dark chocolate. So, dyan na lang tayo. Anyway, ang gusto ko lang naman matry yung dough. Yung dough ng cookie, kung talaga bang masarap. Okay, thank you. Okay, we got the goods. Tom yum. And then this one. Masarap rin ito. Both really good. Must try. Of course, hindi pwede mawala ito. This is the buko shake. After Icon Siam, we're now here at Erawan Shrine. So yan, ready na kami. We have, ito yung akin. They also have their own. Yan o, makalakad ka pa. So if makalakad pa, ibig sabihin, okay pa. So right beside Erawan Shrine is this newest mall, Gaysorn Amari. Nandito yung famous LV Cafe. Pero as you can see, super haba ng pila. And if you wanna go try the LV Cafe, I think you have to make a reservation. Okay, so we're now here in 7-Eleven and oh my god, look at their 7-Eleven selection. Like ito, nakikita lang to sa mga cafe, but they have it here. It's a cheesecake that's shaped like a cheese. And then they also have macarons. Imagine macarons nandito sa loob ng 7-Eleven. O yan o, iba-iba pa yung flavor. I guess this is pistachio and strawberry. So this is our dinner place, Supa Niga Eating Room here at Thonglor. This is a Michelin star here. Sa 3rd floor pa kami. Oh, let's look at the view. It must be the same lang sa kanina. So, yan. Okay, so overall thoughts for this restaurant. If gusto nyong Chinese blend na Thai food, then recommended to. Kasi hindi siya super tapang na pagka-Thai compared sa Kubkaw Kubla, which is kanina, yung saan tayo kanina nag-lunch. So, yan, masarap naman siya, yes. And hindi lang siya ganun katapang, yung lasa.
Ferrero.
This one, big size.
Good morning, guys! Day 3, I think, here in Bangkok. And for this morning, we're gonna go to Platinum. Aussie, ready si Mommy sa kanyang maleta. Kasi dati, sobrang bigat ng mga shopping niya. Parang napilay na siya. So, ngayon, kailangan na niya ng maleta. Anyway, we're on the way na yun. We're here sa Skywalk and straight and left, nandiyan na tayo sa Platinum. Update, 1 o'clock. Oh, useful ang maleta. Puno na yan. And then, we also have plastic here. Right now, we are on the way to the restaurant nearby our hotel because we have to drop these off and then, let's see, saan tayo next pupunta? Mami! Maleta and eco bags. Okay, we're gonna have lunch. Where's my kasama? Oh, there he is. Look. Okay, so overall thoughts for today's lunch. Yung best is yung crab omelette and the tom yum soup. Pero yung crab omelette, more on egg siya. Hindi gano'n kasiksik yung crab niya compared sa Kubkaw Kubla. So, if mas gusto nyo yung medyo crunchy-crunchy na crab omelette, then you have to try yung dito. Pero try nyo yung dalawa para alam nyo yung difference na sinasabi ko. Yung chicken, yung fried chicken, yan yung pinaka hindi okay. Kasi it's maalat, it's overcooked. The pad thai is okay. The rice is a bit spicy. And then, yung parang rice cake, wala yan sa Manila. Yun, try nyo, pero hindi siya super sarap. Guys, so we're currently here at M Spear. So, M Spear pala is parang isang department store lang siya na malaki. Maganda siya. Kung ano nakita nyo, yan na yun. So, it's like a department store type. Hindi siya mall na mall. Yung mall is the M Cartier. If gusto nyo yung mga Chanel, LV, lahat nandun. Pero ito, isang maganda lang siya na dep store. Right now, we're here sa food court niya. We are gonna have snacks, I think. And yun lang, wala na ibang plano. Ang nakita ko lang dito na unique is meron parang isang nagbebenta dyan ng cookie. Later, I will show it to you. Super haba ng pila. I think it's similar to Jenny Bakery sa Hong Kong. Okay, so for snack today, we have gyoza with cheese. Ito, lasang siomai. And then this one, the pangcha. And then here, takoyaki. Michelin to. And as well as this one, ito matamis din to. This is yung kanina, yung shinow ni Mommy sa cellphone niya. So, ito yon. And then, she also bought this. Ito pang uwi ata to sa Manila. It's like a crepe. Tapos meron something inside. Okay, so apparently this one, same pala to dun sa sa McDonald's, yung patong ko. Pero iba lang yung sauce niya. Kung sa McDonald's may chocolate at saka condensada, this one is yung pandan. So lahat, ang pinaka-favorite ko is this one and the takoyaki. Hello! So for dinner tonight, we are here at Sambun Seafood. Ito yung, hindi siya yung mga nasa mall lang na branch. Kasi ito lang yung merong table na available. Kasi fully booked. Alam nyo ito, nasa third floor na kami. Yung mga first 2 floors, grabe punong-puno. So yun o, kailangan nyo pa ng booking. So we are gonna have crab. Hello guys! Yung vibe niya is like parang Chinese restaurant. Pero hindi rin. Kasi pagdating sa taas, parang normal resto. Pero yung baba, yung entrance niya, ganyan. Chinese resto vibes. Let's eat the crab. Ito yung specialty niya. Ito yung fried crab. Hindi siya manghang. You know the taste of the crab? Yung sauce niya, matamis. Hindi siya yung parang super savory. Pero masarap naman. Okay, next stop is Big C. Bibili sila for pasalubong. Oh, alam nyo guys, dito lang sa front part yung mga sikat and mga magagandang buy for pasalubong. Yung mga, pag nakikita nyo yung mga ganyan, like isang pack na many pieces, yan na yung mga sikat. Tapos sobrang dami palagi dito tao. As in, meron pag no? Collab ito. Sige, try natin isa. Try na natin. So anyway, yan yung mga sikat. Ito yung mga sinasabi ko na like, one pack, marami na. So it's like Carrefour, di ba? Sa mga ibang bansa. Meron pang second floor yan. Pero usually here lang sa first floor lang nila. Hindi na kayo matatapos dito. Lalo na if isa-isa nyo patitig. So last full day here in Bangkok and we're just staying dito we're just gonna explore the nearby areas, which is Central World and Siam Paragon. But right now we're here in Central World because there is Chaggy here. So I wanna try. Super famous yun sa China. Ito yung maganda lang sa kanila. It's like the Dior of milk teas. Okay, so ito daw yung bestseller nila. This one, and itong white peach oolong. So of course, we will try both. Unang inom pa lang nalalasahan agad yung pagka-peach, no? If gusto niyo yung mas may twist, try niyo yung peach. Pero if gusto mo yung classic nila, then yung jasmine. We're now here at Siam Paragon food court, and we are gonna have Tong Smith boat noodles. Pero while waiting, since ang haba ng pila doon, I'm gonna order Boost first. Ito yung all berry bang, so let's give it a try. They said it's a shake. First impression, mas hindi lang siyang malasa compared sa Jamba Juice, pero masarap. Kung mahilig kayo sa mga Jamba Juice, magugustuhan nyo to. Okay, so this is where we are gonna have lunch for today. Tong Smith boat noodles. So, Mommy got yung walang mga fishball ba yan or whatever. And then sa akin, beef ball. Ito sa akin yung original. Okay, actually, try na natin yung beef. Oh, look. Ang sarap. Sarap na beef.
Sarap, diba?
Melt in your mouth. Sa buong dish na to, yung beef yung pinakamasarap. Hello guys! Hindi na kami napag-vlog kasi na-busy sa shopping buong afternoon. My God! Pero right now, we are gonna have dinner here, Cheesecake Factory. O, diba? Never na wala ang Cheesecake Factory. Good morning. So today is our last day here in Bangkok. Later we are gonna go sa airport na, but right now we are here sa Central World Food Court. Let me show you. So far, ito yung isa sa mga nice na food court. Like, maraming mga makain, number one. Ito one guys, famous to. Yung pandan hot cake, yung green, ito. Grilled banana. Wow, first time mo nakakita ganyan na. Also have Thai crepe here. If you remember, yung pinakita ko sa inyo yung nasa box. Ito yun, Thai crepe. Bili, yan. Ita-take out nyo to, dadali niya yan sa Manila. Okay, lunchtime here in Canton Paradise. So, Hong Kong food. Anyway, pakita ko na ng drinks nyo. Kasi yung food dito, mga Cantonese nga. So, anyway, ito yung drink ko. Grape, na meron tea. And then, of course, we got Chaggy again. Sobrang haba ng pila. As in, siguro mga 20 plus minutes ako dyan nag-aantay para lang dito. Alam nyo ba guys, meron daw siyang special na straw para lang ma-taste nyo yung, sabihin natin, tea or milk tea or fruit tea. Iba-iba ang straw nila. So, we're gonna have lunch first. Let me show you. So, we have, goose or duck? Duck. Gulay. And then, fried noodle with pork belly. And then this one is rice roll. Okay. Last minute airport shopping. Ang daming mango sticky rice. So, ito yung best so far na mango sticky rice seller kasi meron silang ganyan. 3 for 500. Usually kasi, puro 180 at saka may iba 200 plus. Ito na yung pinakamura if bibili kayo ng marami. And then, of course, I also got my favorite buko shake. Yan, coconut smoothie, I mean. It tastes like buko pandan. If bibili kayo ng something coconut, like coconut juice or coconut smoothie na lang, mas masarap. That store pala is near Gate F. Ayan, ha? Katabi niya yung dairy.